Hi, Mrs. Hardy. So I just wanted to explain to you what I believe would be the best layout for this workshop and the things that I feel like would work best um, and should be explained for this workshop. Um, One of the number one things that I think should always be incorporated into classrooms and should be used for teachers is blogging. And I think that that is something that we could go through, um, show teachers different types of blogs that they can use and how they would use that to connect to students. And they could also use that to compare ideas with other teachers, maybe different project ideas and things like that. The second thing that I would have them do um, was go through different materials to create digital presentations like PowerPoint and Prezi and Google Slides and things like that. Um, so not only do they know how to use that for their teaching, but then later they can use that to teach their students how to do so, and they can turn that into some really fun projects. Um, the third thing I would do was show them how to do proper research so that they're not just using a Google search, and so that they know how to find journals, academic journals, and other posts like that that are more reliable sources. And so then they could continue with that and show their students how to do so. Um, and this is especially helpful in like a high school setting when they are um, in a like a college ready class that would help them to know before college so that they can have the skill and have reliable sources. The fourth thing I would do would be to teach them how to make online surveys, quizzes, and assessments. And I think that the surveys are really helpful um, as a tool for feedback, and they can see if certain teaching methods are helpful or are getting across the way that they want them to be. And again, quizzes and assessments online is another useful tool. In some cases, it can be easier than a paper test, easier to grade. And I think it's just a useful thing to know because it's a way that students could make those to help themselves study as well. And the last thing, the fifth thing that I really want to focus on is e-portfolios and organization, because an e-portfolio is something that will always be, online. You'll have access to. If a computer crashes and you've saved it on your computer, then there's a possibility that you lose everything. But e-portfolios, it's on the internet, and it's a much better way to save um, things that you've worked on, documents, presentations, whatever. Um, and it's a way to organize and keep yourself organized so that, especially if you maybe you teach different courses, um, you can save and create file folders for those different courses. And so it's a really helpful tool to stay organized. So that is what I would do um, for a workshop to teach how to be a teacher, or how to teach, I suppose, in the 21st century. So thank you.